Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Today we will make cutlets using bottle gourd, that is Kokandudhi. Cut one Kokandudhi, peel and grate it with a grater. If there are any big seeds, you can discard those. This has lot of water content, so we will squeeze out the excess liquid and discard it or use it to make rotis. Now heat a kadai, add 2 teaspoon oil and 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry it till fragrant. Now we will add the grated bottle gourd to the kadai and cook it well. Add salt so that it leaves water and it dehydrates sooner. Add half teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon chili powder. We don't want to make it very spicy. Add garam masala and 3 tablespoons chopped coriander. Now for the binding, we will add besan, half cup besan or gram flour, sieve it and add so that there are no lumps. We will cook this along with the grated bottle gourd. Keep stirring. You can add more if you feel that the mixture is runny, but this should be enough. It will absorb all the water once it is cooked. Now it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it and cook for some time. Add kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon. Now remove this mixture in a plate. To roll the cutlets, we need the mixture to be cool. Let the mixture cool for 5 to 10 minutes before you roll the cutlets. Now take 1 teaspoon flax seeds and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds and dry roast them in a small kadai. Let them splutter and add this to the mixture. This is the hidden nutrition in the cutlet. Now dry grind 2 slices of bread in a small mixer jar to make it into a coarse powder. Make small bits and grind it. Add this to the mixture. This is to ensure binding of the cutlet. The bread will absorb if any water content is left. Now roll into small cutlets. You get around 25-26. You can freeze half of them for later use. Shallow fry the cutlets using little oil. I have used this tri-ply pan which has given excellent results. This requires very less oil. Make it golden on both the sides. Cook it on very low flame so that it doesn't burn. Now this can be served with tomato ketchup or curd or raita or any other dip of your choice. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my recipe with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.